Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name's Joshua, your independent Scentsy star consultant. How is your week going so far? Look what I just got in. My wall fan diffuser and the new princess bars. Where did my box opener go? So let's go ahead and jump in. This won't be a long video. Opening it upside down. Let me get in my computer real quick. Just so I can get the notes for the new bar. Okay, so here is the new bar. True Love Awaits. Ooh, that's nice. It's pretty. It is very pretty. It's, Scentsy says, enter a kingdom where enchanting ripe raspberry, sparkling mandarin, and a kiss of sweet vanilla write the perfect fairy tale ending. Okay, you definitely get the raspberry up front, but it's not like an overbearing raspberry. The bubbliness is the sparkling mandarin. I don't get that much of the orange fragrance, but I do get that sparkling note. I guess the kind of like blackcurrant bubbly. This is such a beautiful fragrance. Okay, I get more of the mandarin in the back. Oh God, that is beautiful. So glad I added that to my club. I got 3 bars. And then my prized little baby. So this is the box for the Spider-Man wall fan diffuser, which is still currently available. It's the bottom, the sides, and I got a pack of Marvel 9 Realm pods. The bar is still available in the catalog. Oh my gosh. And this is one of my top favorite licensed fragrances. Oh, that's so freaking delicious. Okay, so you open it. With great power comes great responsibility, and the web slinging sound. That sound. So you got your instructions on top. Oh man. Oh my God. Okay, you got your, put that away. Of course, it's your bright blue Spider-Man color. And then the air comes through the bottom into the fan right here. No, there is no light. The price is $35 because of licensing. And then this is Spider-Man's head all the way around. And this is the inside. So what you do, if you haven't seen any previous videos, you can take one or 2 pods, and then you pop it on there, you turn it on, and you're ready to go. I'm so in love with this. I've been waiting for one of these to come out, so that's what it looks like. Oh my Lord. So that is my unboxing for today. I will have a what I've been warming coming out in a couple of days. I'm still trying to get through some wax, and that's about it. This and the Disney Princess. This also came in a pod pack. This is so beautiful. It is really a beautiful fragrance. You will love this. I can't wait to warm it. So yeah, that is all for today. These are still currently available. You can still add this to your Scentsy Club and always get my bar. You have up until 30 days from the launch date. You can add the Marvel 9 Realms bar to your Scentsy Club as well. Other than that, y'all have a great day, and I will talk to y'all later.